Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Youthful Living. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to make quick and easy bread pizza. So let's take a look at the simple ingredients we need. So we need bread slices. We need pizza sauce. So I have made this pizza sauce at home. To check out the recipe, I will link the recipe link in the description box below. Please do check that out. So we need grated cheese, chili flakes, salt to taste, chopped onions, capsicum and tomatoes, and black salt. So take a big mixing bowl and add in all the chopped vegetables. So I've added in the tomatoes, capsicum and onions. Now add in salt as per taste. Add in the chili flakes and the black salt as well. Mix all these ingredients very well and keep it aside. So let's take the bread slice and apply the pizza sauce. So I'm applying the pizza sauce on all the breads on one side. Now add in the mixed vegetables on top of the bread. So I have added the mixed vegetables on top of all the breads. Apply it evenly on the bread, and now add cheese. So you can use any cheese here. I have grated the cheese and I'm applying it on all the breads. Once you have applied the cheese, put it in an oven until the cheese melts, or you can also place it on the tawa. So when you put the bread on tawa, make sure to cover it with a lid so that the cheese melts properly. So as you can see, the bread pizza is ready now. Serve it hot with tomato ketchup or chili flakes. It's really yummy and delicious, guys. Please do check out the recipe and like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.